Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Hocking County, southeastern Pickaway County, north central Pike County in southwestern Ohio, eastern Ross County in southwestern Ohio, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Chillicothe, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chillicothe, Logan, Kingston, Hocking Hills State Park, North Folk Village, Londonderry, Laurelville, Adelphi, Buena Vista in Hocking County, Gibbsonville, Mooresville, Whistler, South Bloomingville, Richmond Dale, Enterprise, Masseyville, Hallsville and Scioto Trail State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. The severe thunderstorm